I'm going to fix your time problem in the next 7 minutes. Not with hacks, not with motivation, but with 5 powerful shifts that give you back control of your time, your focus, and your life. Because right now, you don't feel in control. Your days don't just pass, they disappear into a black hole. You start with a solid plan and end up scrolling, reacting, catching up. At the end of the night, you say, tomorrow will be different. No, it won't. And if nothing changes, that day just repeats for years and years. I know that cycle because I've lived it. Wasting hours, always feeling behind, but very ambitious. But now, I work full-time job, train daily, build this channel, and still have time for myself. Not because I've more time, but because I've stopped leaking it. And these 5 shifts are simple but powerful. You can even start today. But the third one, that's where everything changes for you. Most people either miss it or avoid it completely. Before shifts, here's where most people get this all wrong. They think it's a time problem, but it's not. It's what you avoid and what you replace it with. You are not running out of time, you are running away from what actually matters. Because the moment something feels hard, you swap it with something easier. You scroll, you check, you stay busy, it all feels productive, but nothing changes in your life. The more you repeat that cycle, the easier it becomes to stay stuck. And that's the real problem. And until you fix that, nothing else will actually work. And this is not another time management video. I'm not giving you hacks or schedules or asking you to wake up at 5 a.m. because your calendar is not the problem. Your patterns are. And that's what these 5 shifts will fix. And most people won't even get past the first one. Treat your time as investment. Your time is not free, it's your most valuable asset. And you are investing it every second whether you realize it or not. Every scroll, every delay, every time you avoid what matters the most, that shapes your life. Because time doesn't just pass, it turns into results. And if you look at your life right now, it reflects where your time has been going. Not your goals, your actions. So, don't fix anything yet. Tonight, just audit your time, your screen time, your last 7 days. Not what you have planned, but what actually happened. Because that is your real life, and when you see it, it might feel uncomfortable. But once you see it, it's hard to ignore. And here's where it gets uncomfortable. Because even after you seeing it, you still go back to doing what you have been doing. Why? That's shift 2. Shift 2. Self-trust. You don't have discipline problem. You don't trust yourself. Every time you say you'll do something and don't, you lower your own credibility. And if you do that enough, your brain just stops believing in you. So now, when you plan your day, it just all feels optional, like who cares? And that's why nothing in your life actually sticks. It's not laziness, it's inconsistency repeated over time. And now, the solution is in more discipline, it's rebuilding your own trust. You can do this by starting small. 30 minutes of focused work, training, or anything that you want to focus on. Block that time, do it, and follow through. Don't skip it, because time management only works if your future self believes in your present self. For me, every day after work, I'm almost dead tired and very exhausted, but I still go and train for an hour at the gym. It's not because I feel like it, it's because it's already decided by me, and I don't break that promise to myself. But here's the catch now. In that moment, you choose what feels good to you at that moment over what you have already decided. And that's what we'll solve next. Shift 3. Systems over mood. This is where everything changes for you. Stop relying on how you feel and build a system for your time. Because motivation fades, mood shifts, but a system runs even when you don't feel like it. And that's what actually gives control of your time. And here's my system. 3 hours of deep work, 3 priority tasks, and 3 blocks for personal training and admin. And that's it. That's how I work full-time job, build this channel, train consistently, and still have time for myself. Not because I'm more motivated, but because I've removed the need to decide every day. And when you remove decisions, you remove where time gets lost. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. But even with a system, people still fall off because something breaks their focus every single day. That's what we'll fix next. Shift 4. Create more than you consume. You don't have information problem, you have an execution problem. You're not stuck because you don't know enough, you are stuck because You keep consuming instead of creating. Watching all kinds of content feels productive, but it's actually not. It's avoidance that feels justified. And while you're consuming, your time is passing, but nothing is actually being built. Consumption fills your time, but creation is what multiplies it. So here's the non-negotiable rule for you. Before you consume, you create. Start with even 20 minutes of your work in any area, because creation is what turns your time into results. And that one shift changes your entire identity. From passive to active, from reactive to intentional with your time. And even after all of these 4 shifts, if you feel like you don't have enough time, this is exactly why. You are not out of time. Your attention is being taken away from you. Shift 5. Attention control. Here's the brutal truth for you. Time is not the problem for you, your attention is. You have trained it that way with constant stimulation in your life. So even a few minutes of real work feels very hard for you, right? And that's the real issue that needs to be solved, because time only turns into results when it's uninterrupted. So if you can't stay focused, your time never really turns into anything. And that's why you always feel busy, but nothing actually moves. So stop trying to manage your time and start protecting your attention. Understand that your attention decides what your time becomes. At some point, you have to stop blaming the time, because that's not the real problem. Your standards are. And when you fix that with these 5 shifts, your time stops slipping away and starts turning into results. Because your life right now is a reflection of what you've been willing to tolerate. So raise your standards, protect your time, control your attention, and follow through and have systems in place. Because no one is going to fix this for you. No one is going to manage your time. No one is going to save your potential. That part is on you. So if you're done wasting your time, comment control below. Not for me, but for yourself. And if this video hit you, the next thing that you need is consistency even on bad days. Watch this next.